Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Fold 5 launch date has been revealed in the Samsung Galaxy teaser. And let's talk about how these smartphones are going to be the biggest upgrade yet in the foldables. Now the Flip 4 is going to be a major upgrade from the Samsung, at it will be coming with a larger cover display and also with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, which are indeed one of the best processors available in the Android department. And also we have seen a very good benchmark scores of these processors, and not only that, the launch date is also coming near to that. Well, the benchmark scores are even better than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a good thing to see as it will be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2, but also it will be coming with a better battery life overall, as we have seen that the Flip 5 Flip 4 was having a bit of a low battery side on the lower end, but that will not be the case anymore with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 series. Now, the launch date of this phone is expected to be coming around on the 26th of July overall in the Samsung Unpacked event, Galaxy Unpacked event, and we actually have to wait how this is going to be a good turnout event, as we know that this is one of the biggest upgrades overall. And not only that, the camera upgrades are also going to be present in the Flip 4 and Flip 5 and the Fold 5, which we are also still waiting for a long time now. Now, if you like this video, enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you can never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.